paste. Okay, of course, it is totally possible for us to go into each and every detail, but that would be, or rather that might be too slow. Which schools? Oh. Okay, so I'm not sure if you have heard of them, but okay, so after my secondary education, which was around after age 16 to 17, I guess. Okay, I went to a local polytechnic, or rather the Ngee Polytechnic in Singapore, which was around 4 years, or is it 3 years, I guess? Yeah, 3 years. Okay, where I learned how to program using Visual Basic, Java, and maybe a little bit of C++. And after which was 1 to 2 years in army, and after which I went to Singapore Management University, SMU, in Singapore. Okay, so over there I also learned Java and .NET, so a little bit of C# as well. Okay, but nothing actually related to game development. But of course it helped me create a better background in programming and development. So getting into game development was easier since I had a background in programming. So this was most probably before the local game development scene in Singapore kind of became more widespread, I guess. Oh, okay, so after Ngee Polytechnic, I went to, or rather there was a 2 years gap in between because I had to go to the army. And after that, I went to Singapore Management University, or SMU in short, where I spent around 4 years. So in SMU, I learned mostly Java, maybe a little bit of C#. Okay, but in SMU, what is taught is mostly higher level stuff than actually diving into the development itself. So it could be things like analytics or program design, stuff like that. Center hole. Whoa, what is that link about? Is that a screenshot? Zero, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So for this attacking animation, the center portion will glow red, or rather from dark red to bright red. Okay, kind of like what the sentry bot does, but this is for the laser drone, I mean. Okay, so talking about Mas Selamat is kind of funny. If you have stayed in Singapore for quite a number of years, okay, I assume that you know about Mas Selamat, and although it is kind of a security risk when it happened, it was kind of funny when it happened. Okay, I mean, you have to admit that it was really kind of funny when the Mas Selamat thing happened. Okay, so funny in the sense that how the local authorities dealt with the incident was kind of funny. Okay, if I recall, one of the local key prominent figures, okay, said something. Okay, I remember one of the more I would say maybe prominent key figures said something like he's either in Singapore or out of Singapore. Okay, you have to admit that is rather funny. I mean, it's stupid, but it's funny. Okay, shading, shooting eye, body pattern, center hole. Okay, and let's flip it. Okay. Oh, what are you having for breakfast? So at this time it's more like having brunch, I guess. Okay. Okay, so if you can't hear me, I guess you can at least see my hand moving. Since you are eating now, if you understand my hand motions. Okay, so okay. Okay, so we just have a few more animation frames for our attacking animation. So up towards the left. So for this we will make it up towards the right. 1, 2. Hey, what's up, Corey Golf? How's your weekend coming along? Oh. Okay, so we must make sure to okay, so we are actually going to do some C# later, since we are finishing up the animation frames pretty soon. But hey, thanks for dropping by anyways. Okay, so this is 0. Okay, so we need 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 more frames to go. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so I'm using my mouse, so that's one of the reasons why this is not as fast as usual. And my mouse likes to move randomly, so sometimes it goes out of control. Okay, so not yet. Okay, but I would definitely like to see it if possible. Okay, attack left 2. Okay, so just 2 more animation frames and we are done with the sprites for now. Okay, just 2 more. Whoa. Okay, so in 2 AM, most likely I am dreaming away in La La Land. Okay, but I'm sure I can also tune in to the recorded version on Twitch TV. Okay, so this is our second last animation frame for Okay, for our laser drone. Oh. Okay, I used to do that until I realized that it's not good for your health. So nowadays I try to sleep and wake up early. Okay, since sitting in front of the computer is not really that healthy, I try to balance it with ample sleep and exercise. Whoa. Okay, so it has been a while since Candy Crush. Okay, but I suppose it's still a thing. Oh, oops. Come on, okay. Okay, what about working out? Is that in your dictionary? It's another way of talking about exercise, but working out is 2 words instead of 1, I guess. Tech 3. Center hole. Fire in the hole. Okay, so now we can create our last animation frame. I guess you could try it one day. Okay, I promise that it will be worth it. Hey, welcome back, Felty. Yeah, that's what she said. Hey Felty, how's your weekend? Okay, so we have 0, 3, oh, upper left, okay. Okay, one and oops. One and two. Okay, so this will be the last animation frame for our laser drone. So this will be played when it is attacking you. Okay. Okay, lastly we just need to get this bright red color and paint it over our last frame. Okay, and that's our attacking animation. So now since we have all the